This scene shows a fully equipped modern cardiac operating theater designed for high-precision heart surgery. Every surface is sterile, the lighting is bright and focused, and advanced medical machines surround the operating table, creating a controlled and professional surgical environment. The male patient is positioned carefully on the operating table, already under general anesthesia. His body remains completely still, allowing surgeons to work safely, while vital signs such as heart rhythm, oxygen level, and blood pressure are continuously monitored. A specialized team of male cardiac surgeons enters the operating area. Each doctor wears sterile blue surgical gowns, gloves, caps, and masks, ensuring strict infection control while maintaining a calm and disciplined presence. Digital monitors display real-time data, including heart rate, oxygen saturation, and circulation status. These screens guide the surgical team at every stage, ensuring accuracy and safety throughout the procedure. The surgical area is carefully cleaned and prepared using sterile techniques. This step is critical to prevent infection and maintain a controlled surgical field before the main procedure begins. Blue sterile drapes are placed methodically over the patient's body, leaving only the required chest area exposed. This controlled exposure allows precise surgical access while protecting the rest of the body. The surgeons begin the initial surgical access phase using precision instruments. Movements are slow, deliberate, and highly controlled, reflecting the seriousness and complexity of open heart surgery. Specialized medical tools are used to stabilize the chest area. This creates a clear and secure working space, allowing surgeons to proceed without unnecessary movement or risk. The surgical team carefully positions instruments, while assistants continuously observe the monitoring screens. Every action is coordinated to maintain stability and precision. Advanced medical devices assist in gaining structured internal access through the chest framework. This process is performed gradually to maintain control and safety. With the surgical field fully prepared, the internal area is stabilized. Focused lighting highlights the surgical zone, allowing maximum visibility for the next stages. The heart becomes clearly visible, beating rhythmically inside the chest. Its natural motion is illuminated under surgical lights, presenting a remarkable view of human physiology in action. The lead surgeon coordinates silently with the team, using hand signals. Each assistant responds immediately, demonstrating efficient teamwork and professional discipline. A heart-lung support system is carefully connected. This machine temporarily manages circulation and oxygen delivery, while surgeons perform detailed work on the heart. Blood circulation is smoothly redirected through transparent medical tubing. This controlled process ensures uninterrupted oxygen supply to the body. As external circulation support takes over, the heart's movement becomes slower and more controlled, allowing surgeons to work with maximum precision. A stabilizing device is placed around the heart to reduce motion. This step is essential for performing delicate surgical work safely. The surgeons begin the repair phase, using fine instruments to work carefully on the heart surface. Every movement reflects years of specialized training. Multiple surgeons collaborate closely, maintaining constant focus and communication through subtle gestures and positioning. Ultra-fine sutures are applied with extreme care. Each stitch is placed precisely to ensure structural stability and proper healing. Monitoring screens confirm stable circulation, oxygen levels, and rhythm. These indicators guide surgeons as the procedure progresses. The surgical area is gently rinsed using sterile medical fluid, keeping the field clean and visible at all times. A final inspection of the repair area is performed. Surgeons carefully examine alignment, stability, and overall results. External circulation support is gradually reduced, allowing the heart to resume its natural role step by step. The heart begins beating independently again with a steady and coordinated rhythm, marking a major milestone in the surgery. The surgical team acknowledges this success silently, maintaining focus as they prepare for closure. The internal area is carefully cleaned and organized in preparation for closing the chest. The chest framework is gently repositioned back into its natural anatomical alignment. Medical fastening techniques are applied to secure the chest structure safely and firmly. Layer-by-layer closure begins, restoring the chest area with precise surgical technique. Muscle layers are aligned carefully and sutured using professional methods to support healing. The outer layer is closed neatly, ensuring structural integrity and protection.
Vitals are stable.
The surgical site is cleaned once more to maintain cleanliness and prevent complications. A sterile dressing is placed securely over the chest area to protect the surgical site.
Vitals are stable.
Anesthesia levels are gradually adjusted as the procedure concludes.
1, 2, 3.
The patient is transferred carefully from the operating table to a recovery stretcher. Continuous monitoring confirms stable heart rhythm and breathing.
Indeed, well done, team.
Surgeons remove gloves while maintaining sterile protocol and professionalism. The operating room is cleaned and reset after the procedure. The patient is moved through hospital corridors toward the intensive care unit. Inside the ICU, advanced monitoring systems support recovery. The patient rests under close observation as machines track vital functions. Doctors review recovery data to ensure stability. The chest dressing remains clean and secure during early recovery. Medical documentation is completed to record surgical details. The ICU environment remains calm and controlled. Routine checks continue to support recovery. The successful procedure marks a critical medical achievement. Hospital systems maintain continuous monitoring during recovery. This completes the full open-heart surgical process performed under modern medical standards.